Hello everyone, welcome to Chandigarh Civil Services Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Aspirational Districts Program. Recently, UNDP, that is the United Nations Development Program, has lauded ADP in its aspirational appraisal report. So there is an evaluation report by UNDP जिसमें कि ADP जो कि एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम है उसके बारे में काफ़ी पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स भी लिखे गए हैं और कुछ पॉइंट्स ऑफ कंसर्न भी लिखे गए हैं जो हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस समथिंग अबाउट ADP. So this program was launched in January 2018 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, what are aspirational districts? These districts are those which are affected by poor socioeconomic indicators. Now, a question comes to our mind that why are they called aspirational then? That's because the terminology counts. It provides a positive connotation to this whole process. तो एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम की जगह अगर हम इस प्रोग्राम को बैकवर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम बोलते तो कहीं ना कहीं ये नेगेटिव साइड पर चला जाता और जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वुड नॉट हैव बीन एज मोटिवेटेड. नाउ दिस प्रोग्राम इज एंकर्ड बाय नीति आयोग. And what is this program all about? This program tracks the performance of all the districts, all the aspirational districts on key performance indicators. Now, what are these key performance indicators? This can be asked in prelims also. In total, there are 49 indicators which are borrowed from 5 main identified thematic areas. So, ये 5 कौन से themes हैं? Health and nutrition, education, एग्रीकल्चर, वाटर रिसोर्सेज एंड बेसिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो ये की इंडिकेटर्स पर ये सभी एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को रैंक किया जाता है एंड दिस रैंकिंग इज कॉल्ड डेल्टा रैंकिंग. सो व्हाई दिस प्रोग्राम शाइन्स आउट? फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट थिंग दैट रियली इज ऑफ वैल्यू इन दिस प्रोग्राम इज पीयर ग्रुप लर्निंग. जब सभी एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को उनके परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पे रैंक किया जाएगा अंडर डेल्टा रैंकिंग on Champions of Change dashboard, then every district will feel that we should improve, we should do better than our neighbors. So they will perform better and adopt all good practices being followed in other districts. Second important point is that it is a collective effort. So under this program, everyone has come together, the government, both state and the center, NGOs and various CSR initiatives. The third point why this program shines out is that it focuses on the third tier of governance. We all know that there are 3 tiers of governance: center, state and the district. So every one of you watching this video must comment under this video that what is 73rd and 74th amendment in our constitution. Fourthly, this program provides a sense of hope and optimism. Like discussed earlier, that the term aspirational district itself is a very optimistic term. Fifth point why this program shines out is that this program involves Prabhari officers. These officers are of the rank of Joint Secretary and Additional Secretary. They guide the district officials and they themselves contribute to making the district better in various projects. So now we look at how this program can be improved further as per the UNDP evaluation report. So firstly, they said that the new criterion can be added in parameters for monitoring the performance. So the key indicators we talked about earlier, they can be expanded. For example, gender can be included, environment can be included. Secondly, there have been cases जहाँ पर misreporting हुई है और under reporting हुई है. ये क्यों होती है? क्योंकि जब भी 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंपटीशन में आती हैं और ये पब्लिकली डिस्प्ले होता है कि दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज़ बेटर देन द अदर, सो देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ चांस दैट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स विल मैनिपुलेट इट्स रिपोर्ट्स. So there will be misreporting as well as underreporting. Now, what is the solution to this? This can be solved through third-party evaluation. So there can be volunteers who go personally to the houses and ask whether the ASHA worker came on time to check the pregnant lady or not, and ask such type of questions so that the evaluation is not fake and there is no misreporting or underreporting. The third thing which can be done to further improve the aspirational district program is capacity building. So more staff should be trained and more people should get involved in order to make this program a further success. लास्टली एक टाइम फ्रेम फिक्स होना चाहिए कि इतने साल बाद ये एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बिकॉज अगर वो एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट 10 साल तक एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ही कहलाई गई, so there will be no point to the program itself. So there should be a closure and the government should update the list at the right time. So to sum it all up, the aspirational district program is a successful model for the local area development, and this program can be adopted by other underdeveloped countries also for areas which are underdeveloped and which needs improvement.